Teresa, and I'm from South Africa. I'm a teacher by profession. The topic for today, I'm discussing the debunking brain myths, and my specific topic is how teachers are taught about cognitive science and brain-based learning. Myths about the brain have been difficult to debunk because the brain is not being understood how it works. But scientists have learned more to discredit some other popular myths, brain myths. Teachers are more fascinated by neuroscience because they feel that it has an impact in improving their teaching practices. Education is a cognitive science which understands how we learn. There are many myths in education about application of brain-based learning to the classroom practice. If I can quote Piaget's cognitive development, which says that people are actively engaged in an ongoing process by adapting continually and organizing and reorganizing information and experiences. He further states that from infancy onwards, children construct increasingly complex map of their world in an attempt to organize and to understand and to adapt to it. That is Piaget in 1953. The myth teachers initiated is that the brain controls the cognitive process. If I'm referring to the classroom situation, this means giving the students opportunities to try things out. They need to experiment, they need to discover things, to question and discuss, and also reflect in order to solve some of the problems. When I'm talking about brain-based education, I mean what? I mean the engagement of strategies based on how the brain works, and then also include the methods and how the teacher can present the lesson in the classroom. These misunderstandings that we have as teachers are being reviewed in new research. The new research which acknowledges that our current state of knowledge is incomplete and may even be in respect inaccurate. That is Hall in 2005 that stated that. And according to Carey 2014, informed us that most of our instincts about learning are misplaced, incomplete, wrong, and rooted more in superstitions than in science. So as teachers, with all these myths about cognitive learning and brain, we have learned that this is not how our students should be taught. The brain is a quick learning machine and works best when those quicks are exploited. That is Carey in 2014 who stated that. So appreciating learners and learning as a restless, as a piecemeal, as a subconscious and sneaky process, that must occur all the time. And it is the only one available, that is, the brain is the only one that is available that doesn't require more time and effort on your part, that doesn't increase the pressure to achieve. So the brain is working on its own, and then so we have, like if we are studying, we have not allowed to study hard, to cram things in order to understand the work better. So as teachers, we have this responsibility to tell our learners that we need to work on our own. We need not to focus on the things like cramming in order to pass our test, but let the brain work on its own. That is how the brain scientist understands the learning, which is now new in our lives. Thank you very much.